while ago, and then click the following needed information, and then we're going to click on the statistics. Statistic, and then you're going to click the chi-square, and then the continue again, and then for the cell display we are going to click the observes, and then continue. Okay, so make sure to click the following what is important. We have here the compare columns, the adjust p-values, or in the columns for the percentage, and the it following, and you then you can go to continue, and then uh, go to OK. So you have here the following tables needed. Okay, you have here the case processing summary and the chi-square. In the chi-square, you have already see here the person chi-square, the following in entry to the chi-square. And then we're going to go to the SPSSL again, and now we are now going to the we have here the independent test again for another round of SPSS, and then we have here the gender and the engagements, the following information. So in the variable view, you can check here the name and the types and the following label there. As you can see, the decimal, the values missing, columns aligned, measures, and rules. So you're going to make sure that the entry is correct. Okay, so in the values, we are going to click the values and type 3 and the label. Okay, so that's how to change the values there. You can just click the value labels if needed. Okay, to change the entry. Okay, so we have here again the gender and then the engagements and the following information here. We are going to check the assumptions of the following. So we can just go to the analyze, and then we're going to explore, and then we have see here the dangers and danger and the engagements, and then transfer out to the dependent list, and in the factor list is the gender. Okay, so we can just go to the floods and check the following: the steam and lift and normality floods with the test factors labeled together, and then we can just click continue if we're done, and uh, Okay, click OK for it, and then at the entry or in the table you can see the following. Okay, you can also check or look for the entry properly. We have here the following. And we have here the test for the normality or case processing summary. And then we are going to analyze the confirm means, and then click the independent sample test, and then transfer it again to the test variable, the engagement with, and the group variables, transfer the gender, and then we can just go to group define. It's up to you how to group it by, and then we can just click it to continue, as you can see there, and then okay. So the another table is presented also here. Okay, so this one will be your t-test tables. The group is statistic, and the entry is given also. And we have also here this independent sample test. Okay, so that's it for the SPSS. Thank you po, ma'am.